Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
The 2022 Ram 1500 TRX now comes in exclusive bright orange. The Ram 1500 TRX is entering its second model year with a new Ignition Edition package that gives the 702 horsepower off-road pickup a blazing new orange paint job and other citrus-colored accents. These Ram 1500 TRX trucks come equipped with the TRX's Level 2 equipment package, a $7,920 option that includes things such as a leather and suede flat-bottom steering wheel, cooled front and second row seats, and other niceties. The Ignition Edition trucks are finished in ignition orange with unique bedside graphics and equipped with 18-inch machine face black wheels. Their interior features copperhead orange stitching, copper carbon fiber accents, an orange center console badge, and orange Ram logos on the floor mats. The TRX in the driver's screen is also finished in ignition orange. A Hellcat supercharged 6.2-liter V8 powers the 1500 TRX, and it produces 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. In car and driver testing, the TRX reached 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds on its way to a 12.3-second quarter mile at 110 miles per hour, making it the quickest pickup truck we've ever tested. The 2022-1500 TRX Ignition Edition is limited to just 875 trucks, and Ram says they'll be on sale starting at the end of the year. Pricing starts at $93,280, which is nearly $20,000 more than the TRX's base price. Thank you for watching this channel. Wait for the next video and don't forget to like, comments and subscribe.